Hey guys, in this video we are going to checking out the top 5 best fat tire electric bike under $2,000. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Number 5. ZhangBui NXB Fat Tire Electric Bike. The ZhangBui NXB electric bike frame made aluminum alloy suspension fork and shock absorbing seat tube. The electric bike equipped 48-volt 750-watt high-speed brushless rear motor provides strong power with top speed up to 30 miles per hour and 3 working modes, as like PA mode, electric mode, and sports mode. The NXB electric bikes for adults is equipped with newly developed 48-volt 12.8 amp-hour Samsung cell aluminum wire welding lithium battery. Compared with traditional batteries, its advantages are low failure rate, larger capacity, more stability, safety, and beautiful, and battery range of up to 28 to 30 miles electric mode, and 42 to 60 miles PA mode, will support plenty for a day's adventure or most trips to travel and back. The electric bicycle for adults of aluminized alloy disc brakes at the front and rear provide better braking accuracy and strong stopping power. With power off function, safety performance is doubled, which provide you with all the performance of free shuttle and all-terrain. It also 20-inch by 4.0-inch fat tires tackle the sand, snow, or road with ease, and maximum load capacity 220 lbs. The electric bike equips with a small screen contains all the needed information, ride mileage, ride speed, battery level, etc. This foldable electric bike size of 36 into 21 into 29 inch, the e-bike can be easily folded and stored into the trunk of a car, or bring it into subway, making it the best commute and travel companion. Number 4. SPOUSY PHF 1000 Fat Tire Electric Bike. The SPOUSY PHF 1000 electric bike aluminum alloy frame has the advantages of lightweight, good flexibility, and good resistance to moisture oxidation. This electric bike provides 1000-watt high-speed independently researches and develops ultra-high energy-saving motors, provides strong electric power with speed reaching up to 25 mileage per hour. The electric bike provides 48-volt 12.8 amp-hour removable lithium battery ultra-high performance battery cells, covering a range of 45 miles per full charge. The electric bike 3 working mode, as like pure electric, by assistant mode, and by yourself. You can choose the pure electric mode to enjoy a relaxing time, and also can use it for exercising. It also mechanical front and rear disc brakes are designed to provide powerful braking capability. Turn off the power immediately when braking to protect your riding safety. The electric bike equipped 3.5-inch LCD multifunctional display, so you can check the riding data more conveniently, such as speed, battery level, odometer, and so on. You can also switch the pedal assist level according to the road condition. Number 3. Riddar Winner Fat Tire Electric Bike. The Riddar Winner electric bike frame is made of 6061 aluminum, which is really durable. It will full suspension system. It provides a comfortable riding experience even when you are going off-road. The electric bike provide 1000-watt brushless motor, maximum speed 30 to 50 km per hour. The electric bike 20-inch high-quality fat tires are non-slip and strong grip. We can ride freely in the snow, and there are 3 ways of riding: e-bike mode, electric assist mode, and normal bike mode, which can meet our different riding needs. With mechanical dual disc brakes are responsible for your riding safety. The electric bike equipped with a 48-volt 14 amp-hour battery, which can be fully charged in just 5 to 6 hours. The battery is hidden in the bike's body, which is more beautiful. The riding range is 30 miles when riding in pure electric bike mode, and 60 miles in pure assisted bike mode. This LCD display shows you the mileage, speed, gear, and other information clearly in front, and rear LED lights are for a safer riding on the road. Number 2. Jigma R7 Fat Tire Electric Bike. The Jigma R7 electric bike frame made aluminum alloy with a 48-volt 500-watt high-speed brushless motor, which increases a stronger mountaineering performance, offers enough power for daily commuting. Top speed can reach 30 to 50 km per hour, take you to your destination quickly. This bike provides 12.8 amp-hour large-capacity battery, enough for a day of adventure or most of commuting and work. 2 charging ways: charging on the bike or removing the battery for charging. Don't worry about being stolen. It also customize your ride performance with 3 riding modes and 3 speed assist levels mode, as like pure electric mode, power assisted mode and manpower mode. The R7 electric bicycle is equipped with hydraulic brake and power off system. When you brake, the e-bike cuts power and activates the braking system. Stop the electric bike quickly to ensure driving safety. The R7 adopts a dual shock absorption system with 20-inch tires so that the vehicle has a good shock absorption effect on daily roads and can better adapt to various road conditions such as snow, roads, beaches, and mountains. This bike equipped LCD display, which is integrated directly into your handlebar. You always know about the condition of your battery and your driving condition. Shows your speed, battery level, distance covered, and pedal assistance. Number 1. Shang Milo MX-01 Fat Tire Electric Bike. The Shang Milo MX-01 electric bike frame made aluminum alloy, light, strong and designed to last, makes it easy to maneuver. The MX-01 electric bike 48-volt 1000-watt brushless, high-speed, rear motor. If you can try to experience, you must feel amazed at its power. Strong power will add fun to your journey. The maximum speed of the motor is about 50 km per hour. This electric bike provides 3 working mode, as like pedal assist mode, pure electric mode, and manual mode. This bike equipped 12.8 amp-hour lithium battery with the protection of the plastic and waterproof case. The battery is not easy to be damaged. Battery full charge takes 5 to 7 hours. The distance that can be used when the battery is fully charged is approximately 60 to 80 km pedal assist mode and 35 to 40 km pure electric mode. The electric bike adopts front and rear double hydraulic brake system, which can dissipate heat quickly and brake and stable steadily. When you brake, the power will automatically cut off. It also 4.0-inch fat tires tackle the tough, the sand, snow, or road with ease, and equipped LCD display can monitor the speed, battery usage, and cycling trip distance.